Hello everyone and welcome to another Making a Game in C video. I'm just going to open up my editor here. So in the previous video we were creating a shader manager. Today we're probably going to work a little bit in the actor struct, and we're actually going to make the actor render something on screen. That is the goal, and we'll see if we can fulfill that goal. I'm going to go into the Learn OpenGL website again, and we're going to just see how we will render stuff. So what we will do first is that we're probably going to add a VBO to our vertex buffer object to our actor. I think that is what we're going to do actually. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. So in our actor.h, let's add that. And then we want to go into the actor.c. And we want to do this. Whoa. It's probably not the right place to put it. Let's put it there for now, okay? It's probably not going to compile because we need to include the OpenGL stuff, the GLAD stuff. So let's go into the actor.h. Where is it? There it is. Put that there. And now it's compiling. Okay. And then I think this is yeah, this is when we bind that buffer. I don't know if we want to do that immediately. We could probably do that in the draw method. I'm not sure if that is correct, but we'll do that for now, okay? And I'm thinking that just to make sure that things works, we are going to make every actor draw a square or something. Draw actor. Cool. And then we want to do this. I think we can actually do that here. So we don't really have any vertices yet though. But yeah, let's make the actor draw a triangle to start with, okay? So let's just put this here for now. Let's see if it compiles. It does compile. Cool. Did we do the buffer thing? Actually, I think that we have to bind the VBO first. This is really bad thing to do. You shouldn't buffer that every time in the loop. I think that is really bad to do. But let's just do that for now, okay? And yeah, we have our shaders already, so that is not a problem. Yeah, we want to use the shader program now actually. So what we can do now here is let's just see how we're binding the buffer, we're buffering the data, and this one is enabling the position, I think. So we're gonna need to do that. And this is probably not a good idea to having the loop here either, but we'll do that for now just to see if that things works. Okay. So basically what this means is that we have the pointer 0 in our, I think it's the vertex shader. Yeah, the 0, location 0. And it has the, I think we can get auto completion here. No, but I think this means that we have 3 points of data, and it's a type of float. I don't remember what that is. I think this is the stride, so 3 times size of float. I don't really remember what that is, but let me just Google GL vertex attribute pointer. I just want to make sure that I know what it is. So yeah, that is the index, yeah, and the size. The type is a float, and we don't normalize them. And yeah, that was the stride. And pointer, yeah. Okay, looks good. Now we're going to do GL use program shader manager get program default. Now this is not very nice to do that call every time in the loop, because you know this function loops as well. If we go into that, we can see that we're performing a loop here, so that's not very nice, but we'll do that for now, okay? Okay. Then, okay. Vio. So, I think this will be done here actually. We're going to do going to do the scene will have the vertex array. That makes sense in my head at least. And then in the init scene we will create it. Make that compiles, cool. So we're binding that one, and we're doing this, and then we want to bind that vertex array again. Apparently, yes. Can't we just like do that or something? No. Like we are doing that right after we do use program. So in our actor here, when we say to use that program, we want to bind to that one. Seems a bit weird, but that might be how we should do it. Let's just do that, okay? And here we should do something like, don't we have like get current scene manager? Yeah. Get current scene manager, and now we have to do extern scene manager. Yeah, and we need to include that as well. Include / scene manager.h. Let's put it there. What is wrong here? Get program. Oh, we need to do include / shader manager.h. No, too few arguments. Oh, extern shader manager. And we want to do shader manager get current scene manager pointer without a cast. Oh, Vio vertices. What is wrong here? Oh, yeah, this is going to be pretty ugly as well to do this, but we're just going to do that for now. Everything compiles, cool. Then we're going to do this. What is this though? Element buffer objects. I don't think we need that right now though, but cool. I think that's it actually. Now we shouldn't really get any output because we haven't initialized any scene. So in our scene registry, let's just make for now that all scenes has an actor. Append dynamic list s actors init actor. Let's do at 0. Now does that compile? Yeah. Now in our scene registry we need to add a scene. Scene manager. Append scene manager. SM init scene. That compiles on, and we're not getting anything for some reason. Register scenes. I think we're not doing. We need to do tick scene manager. Scene manager. Draw scene manager. Scene manager. Just gonna have a sip of coffee. Okay. And I don't think we have those methods yet, so. Void tick scene manager. Scene manager SM. I'm just going to do for it equals 0. Scene up. Do we have something like that? Draw scene. Scene, scenes, items, I. So now we got the tick. Should just copy this and make a draw as well. Oh wait, this isn't right. We should actually just do, we're not going to tick all the scenes, we're going to do get current scene manager, SM, tick scene. Let's much simpler than I thought. Draw scene, get current scene manager SM, make draw scene manager. Right, we need to add those to the scene manager.h as well. Now here comes the scary part. Oh, we're getting a triangle. Cool. It works, guys. We're getting something on the screen. Nice. That is really nice, actually. I want to see if we can... we should be able to like change the color and stuff here too. So, but I know we're probably gonna want this EBO thing. Element buffer, we'll like discuss and remember EBO. Maybe we should do that. Yeah, let's just do it the correct way. So I'm gonna add this to the... This might actually be the wrong way now when I think about it, but vector.c. Like this is probably like very wrong, but I don't know. Now, so after we buffer the data VBO, we want to do this A and GeoDraw elements, GeoUnsigned int 0, GeoBind, oh come on, vertex array 0. Now we also need to change this. And now we're getting a square. That's not right, is it? Oh well, it is supposed to be a square. Okay. Cool. So that works. Now I'm thinking... I don't really want to do this every time in a loop, but... yeah, maybe that is for next video. We're actually getting something on the screen now, which is nice. So, program. I mean, Gale uses program. I think one thing we can improve at least is this one. let's make that to like a constant or something like shader default or something. And then we can go into our shader registry, I think, and we can do unsigned int shader default, and we can do shader default is equal to, no, I'm in the wrong file, shader manager, shader registry, unsigned int shader default, shader default is equal to. Now what we can do is actually just go into our actor and we can do extern unsigned int shader default. And that will probably work. Yeah, that works as well, so cool. Now we actually might not need that get function that we used. Alright, let's just clean this up a little bit. Yeah, I haven't really figured out where we're going to store our vertices and stuff. I mean, probably because later, probably all the actors will draw like textured squares. So probably we should put the vertices and the indices on the actor object. I think that might be the best solution actually. Or have them in some sort of constant. I think that is actually the best solution right now to do that. So I don't really know where, in which file we should put them, but let's put them, let's just put them, let's put them in, maybe graphics is a nice place to hide. Yeah, I think maybe this is the best place to put it right now. Let's do that, and we're gonna do let's just call these default vertices or something. Default indices. Can I even do that? I think we can do that actually, like this. So extern float default. Now what did I call them? No, I don't like that name. Vertices default. And indices default. Let's just see if that works. No, we cannot do that. Or is it? That works. Now we're just going to do vertices default, vertices default, indices default. And that does not compile actually. Incomplete type. I think this is because we need to do... What if I put like... what if we put like 12 and 6? That actually compiles. Weird. No, it doesn't. Multiple definitions. We cannot do that. Okay. Right. Alright, I think the best solution is actually not to do that. It's whoa. Let's just put them in that file, okay? Let's just do that for now. It's better than creating them every time in the loop, at least I think. And that works perfectly. Now I am a little bit, I don't like to do this all the time. It's a bit annoying. But yeah, that works. Now maybe the scene registry. There are some things that I don't really like here. For example, init scene manager. I don't like the order of this. Draw scene manager. I want to rename some methods here, okay? I have a tool for this, smart replace. I want to replace get current scene manager with, I want to replace that with scene manager get current scene in every .h file. And yeah, it looks good. And let's do an every.c file as well. Cool. Now this should be replaced. And also we're going to replace append scene manager with scene manager register scene. Okay. In every .h file. Yep. And in every .c file. Yep. And we're also going to replace draw scene manager with scene manager draw and tick scene. No, sorry. We cannot do multiple. We need to do it this. Yeah. And .c. Yeah. And we want to do the same with the tick one. Didn't that got updated? Why? Tick scene manager. Didn't I update that one? What? Oh, .h. Cool. Now I'm gonna do the same with the actor actually. Let's just do that. Tick actor tick. Let's see. Yeah. And we're gonna do this with the tick scene as well, with scene tick. And draw as well. Oh, I think I forgot to do .h here. No! I did something wrong. I think it's in the scene. Draw tick is not a very nice name. Scene draw. Scene draw. Make clean make. We're still having something weird going on here. Scene manager. Scene draw. Why? Scene draw comes from scene.age. Whoa. Scene. And everything works. Cool. Do I have anything else like that I want to? I don't like this name, dynamic list thing. We're gonna change append dynamic list to dynamic list append. And also the free to dynamic list free. Cool. Make clean, make, still compiles. Graphics, is there anything here? No. Scene registry. Scene manager. No, that's nice. You see, I want to have like the type before the function name, so we have like scene manager underscore register scene instead of like register scene scene manager. I think that's a better name, so that's why I did that. But yeah. So I think in the next video we will be working on like texturing stuff, I think. So yeah, but great, we got stuff rendering on the screen now, which is nice. That's pretty awesome. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.